Hey everyone, ever look at those paintings of the founding fathers and think, wow, what a united group of guys? Well, think again. The America we know today almost didn't happen, and the biggest fights weren't with the British, but with each other, right inside Independence Hall. Let us pull back the curtain on the secret debates that nearly tore the new nation apart before it even began. The summer of 1787 was sweltering, and tempers were just as hot. The main event was the Constitutional Convention, and the biggest showdown was between the big states and the small states. Virginia, a powerhouse, came in with a plan. Representation in Congress should be based on population. More people, more power. Makes sense, right? Not if you were from tiny Delaware or New Jersey. They were terrified of being completely silenced by giants like Virginia and Pennsylvania. A delegate from Delaware, Gunning Bedford Jr., got so heated he actually threatened that the small states would find a foreign ally to take them by the hand if they were ignored. Imagine that. Threatening to side with a European power just as they were trying to break away from one. The room fell silent. The entire American experiment hung by a thread. For weeks they were deadlocked. The convention was on the brink of collapse. Some delegates even started packing their bags, ready to go home. So how did they save it? A man from Connecticut, Roger Sherman, stepped up with what we now call the Great Compromise. It was a genius idea. He proposed a two-house legislature. In one house, the House of Representatives, representation would be based on population, pleasing the big states. But in the other, the Senate, every state would get 2 seats, no matter its size. This protected the small states and gave them an equal voice. It was a breakthrough that saved the Constitution. But there was another, darker compromise. The infamous 3/5 compromise. Southern states wanted to count their entire enslaved population to get more power in Congress. Northern states, many of which were moving to abolish slavery, were horrified. The debate was incredibly bitter. The final, terrible agreement was to count each enslaved person as 3/5 of a person for representation. It was a moral failure that kicked the can of slavery down the road, eventually leading to the Civil War, but at that moment, it was the price they paid to keep the country together. So, the next time you see those powdered wigs and stoic faces, remember the shouting matches, the threats, and the fragile compromises that happened behind closed doors. The United States wasn't born in a moment of perfect unity, but forged in the fire of fierce debate. It's a powerful reminder that our country has always been a work in progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden history.